My name's Tim Madison. I'm retired. Have been for many years, but I like to keep busy, so I campaign on issues. It was very frustrating. The speeds were so slow, so you just get so frustrated with it and you stop using that thing that's causing those problems. That's history since I got the Superfast broadband last October. All you had to do was put in your landline number and up came an answer, yes, it's available, or no, it isn't. Filled in the form online. A day after, the kit arrived. The day after that, the engineer turned up, installed it, got it all running. It just couldn't be easier. It was absolutely first class. And we've got everything, mobile phones, tablets, they all work wirelessly straight through it, no problem at all. Well, I can do anything I want basically now, anything that's available. Videos, for example, which were a nightmare. You don't get frustrated, you can get a lot more done. Every single thing that you can think of using a computer for is manifestly better. It's absolutely life-changing.